Hello friends, today we'll open the ASUS Vivobook X1607. As always, you'll find everything about the laptop in our detailed text review on LaptopMedia.com. The link is below the video. Now let's start. We removed 10 screws from the bottom plate using a Japanese industrial standard No. 1 screwdriver, whose snug tip prevents slipping compared with a Phillips bit. The first 6 screws are M2 with a 7mm threaded length, so keep them in a separate pile. The next screw at the lower right corner is captive. It stays attached to the cover after loosening. The last 4 screws are shorter, with 4mm of thread. Here you can clearly see the difference in length between the two types. Again, these are the longer ones. Sort the screws now, it will save time during reassembly. With a thin plastic pry tool, we start releasing the clips. We found it easiest near the hinge. Right here is the first clip. Done, the bottom cover is off. We disconnect the battery cable. First slide the locking bar back. Then lift the connector straight up with a plastic tool. Important! Always lift from the side with the red wires to avoid stressing the pins. We undo 3 M2 3.5mm screws and lift out the 50 Wh lithium-ion battery, again with the JIS No. 1 driver. You can check the result of our battery life test in our written review. Look for the chart under the battery section. And while you're on LaptopMedia.com, don't miss our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking. Note that the 16GB LPDDR5X memory is soldered and not upgradable. To remove the SSD, unscrew its 2mm retaining screw, tilt the drive about 15 degrees and pull it out. The factory drive is a 512GB Micron 2500 PCI Express 4 unit. There's a single M2 2080 slot, so upgrades mean replacing this module. Before you close the laptop, consider cleaning the fan and vents. A clear airflow path keeps the 16-inch Vivobook cool under sustained loads. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and visit LaptopMedia.com to read our detailed review and find everything you might need to know about this one and many more laptops.